Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the BMW i3 120AH. We will provide you a complete review about BMW i3 120AH. If you are watching our video for the first time, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for new latest car. So let's dive into the video without wasting your time. BMW i3 120 with range extender 2023 is a hatchback car. It gets the warranty of 4 years and 10,000 miles. The available color of this car is Capri's white, Frozen blue essence, and the silver metallic highlight blue, and the black blue frozen essence, and so many colors. It is made in German. Its performance: BMW i3 120 with range extender 2023 provide a electric engine that produce 170 HP, 48,000 rpm horsepower, 184 lb-ft of torque. It has a 4-cylinder. The top speed of this car is 93 mph and the acceleration time is 0.06 in just 6.6 seconds. It gives the automatic transmission with rear wheel drives is with single speed gearbox. It gets the power steering with rack ponent and the minimum turning radius of steering is 32.4 feet. The tire size of this car is 155 and the wheel size of this car 19 in 5 inches. The dimension of the car is 158.3 inches in length, 69.9 inches in width, 62.9 inches in height, and the wheelbase is 101.2 inches. And the car weight of the variant is 2745 lbs and the ground clearance is TBC inches. If we talk about the information of this car, there are Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, audio input, and MP3 player, DVD player, touch screen, and the rear speakers. If we talk about its safety, it has anti-lock braking, central locking backup, crash sensor for more comfort, adjustable seats. The price of BMW i3 $80,900 US dollar.